Meaning of internal.
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 Internal. The term internal generally refers to something that is located or occurring within the boundary of a particular object, system, organization, or entity. In other words, it refers to things that are situated inside or within a certain specified parameter. It can also mean related to or affecting the inner workings of something rather than its external or outward-facing aspects. For example, in the context of a company, an internal report would be a document intended only for those inside the company, while an external report would be for distribution outside of the company, to customers, investors, or other interested parties.